Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Fantastic Fiqh and where to learn it. My name is Abbas Ali and today's topic is about Wudhu and Tayammum. Wudhu is a special way of washing that makes us spiritually clean. Wudhu is made up of washing the face, washing the two arms, right first then left, wiping called masih of the front head, wiping the upper part of the 2 feet, right first then left. When do we need to do Wudhu? During Salah, performing tawaf 7 times around the Kaaba during Hajj and Umrah, and reading from the Quran. When is Wudhu mustahab or recommended? Entering the mosque, going to sleep, controlling your anger, and entering the shrines of our Holy Prophet and Imams. Now let's take a look at the conditions of Wudhu. What are they? Making a niyyah. I am doing Wudhu for the pleasure of Allah. Using water that is tahir, which means pure, and mubah, which means taken with permission. All body parts must be tahir. Step by step and without interruptions, and this is called tartib and muwalat. Now that we've learnt what Wudhu is, let's take a look at Tayammum. Tayammum is another way to spiritually cleanse yourself, but we only do Tayammum when there is no water available, it is not possible to get water due to illness or fear, it is harmful to one's health, there is only enough water to make body and clothes tahir, and there isn't enough time to perform Wudhu or ghusl. You can do Tayammum using the following materials. Earth as the first option. If that is not available, then sandy clay or stone, dust, snow or ice, or using a mud wall. How do we perform Tayammum? First we have to make a niyyah, intention. I am performing Tayammum qurbatan ila Allah Ta'ala. Secondly, put both of your hands on the thing that you are doing Tayammum on. Example, earth. Then put both of your palms where your hair starts to grow and pull them down onto the tip of your nose. After that, wipe the entire part of the back of the right hand with the palm of the left hand and repeat the same with the right hand over the left. It is mustahab to strike the hands on the earth again and wipe the back of the hands again. And that's how you do Tayammum. I hope you guys made some notes and got all that. Well, that's all I have for today's episode. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon in a Fantastic Fiqh and where to learn it.